लास्ट स्टडी 50 सेंटर में 50 हॉस्पिटल में हमने स्टडी की. इट इज नॉट ओनली वन सेंटर इन तमिलनाडु बट 50 हॉस्पिटल्स अक्रॉस कंट्री एंड अबाउट 800 सडन डेथ के केसेस उस पे इंक्लूड किए. सो सडन डेथ मीन्स दे वर हेल्दी पीपल, हेल्दी एडल्ट एंड दे सडनली डाइड. They did not have any illness for example, any comorbidity. And what we found from our study is COVID-19 vaccination is not associated with these sudden deaths. But we found that those who had severe COVID, those who required hospitalization because of COVID, they had a higher risk of sudden death. Similarly, those who did unaccustomed exercises, they had higher odds of or higher risk of developing COVID. Those who indulge in binge drinking or those who are drug users. So these were these factors. I know there are reports from Karnataka that some deaths have happened, about 20 deaths have happened in one district.
Yes, sir.
And I also read that the state chief leadership has basically constituted a committee, and I'm sure they would investigate and find out as to what were the reasons for that. I don't know the full findings of AIMS study. There is one more study because when in 2023 when these reports were coming up, DG ICMR commissioned two studies. One was the one which was conducted by NIE and presented by Manika. Other is currently done by AIMS, still ongoing. So what they are doing is those sudden deaths patient who died, they are doing post-mortem of this patient and I'm trying to find out what could be the reasons. That study is ongoing. But what I understand from the press release is many of them had some genetic mutations or some problems about that. Some of them were also binge drinkers. So to blame COVID vaccination might not be right is what I am saying.